Hello and welcome to Forest Arts, and today we're going to do a beautiful little piece on a 12 by 12 canvas, and I've already pre-mixed the paints, so without further ado, let's mix them into the large beaker. I just want to say welcome to everybody that joins in. This is the very first video that I've actually done in my studio here at home, so thank you for joining me, and do please be patient, it's all in the making still. The table's come, which is the biggest sort of thing that I was waiting for. I'm doing this with no lights on, however I can add a light if it's sort of pretty well dark in the afternoon here in the UK at the moment. Okay, there's plenty of paint in there now because this is only a small canvas. Let me just put the light on and see how it looks. Okay, I'm going to turn the light back off at the moment, and we shall see how it looks. I think it looks better with that. So this is the 12 by 12 canvas. There in a large container is the paint. Now there's acrylic water paint, a little dash of alcohol, a little bit of silicone and water. It's all been mixed very thoroughly. So I'm going to just test it now on here. So let's just do a flip. It's going to be a flip. So put it there. Ooh, okay. Now let me just put a bit of paper towel here, because I don't want to get any paint on my new gizmo. Okay. So how are we all doing today? Do drop a comment in the box below where you're from, so I've got a good idea then of where you're sort of tuning in. This table is beautiful. It was well worth waiting almost 10 weeks for it, and it's adjustable, so now it's solid. I can stand or I can sit. Sorry if it's shaking, sorry, I'm getting a little bit excited. Anyway, I'm just going to let this magic do. I'm going to go and get a paintbrush back shortly. Okay, just got my paintbrush. So I've got quite a few projects in the pipeline which I should be recording. I do apologise for this little bit of shadow. It's just in the UK it's becoming almost 3 o'clock and it's becoming a little dark. If I put the light on, then it will create too much of a shadow. Okay, I'll have to get some lighting sorted. Okay, we're going to just lift this now then, folks. Looks really good. Really good. Okay, this is the messy part, folks. So let's just... Oh, some beautiful colours there. So I just want to get it over the edge. Okay. The green is sort of that looks really good actually. I know you can't see that too much, but trust me, it looks really, really good. I'm just trying to bring that green down a bit now. Okay, let's just bring that black down a little bit that end, just to create a bit of shape now. Yeah, that's cool. Okay, I'm going to put that there. I'm going to just quickly go and swirl my hands. Okay. Let me just sort of get this a bit more centered. Let me just try the light on again one more time. What do you reckon? Can you see that better? No. Okay. Okay, let's just check all the edging. That has actually covered. What I'm going to do now is go over it with a heat gun, because I want to create some nice beautiful shapes and some cells. Get this nice and warm. That's it. Create those cells. Okay, that should be enough. Okay, that looks like a wrap, and that's actually come better than I thought, actually, considering. Okay friends, I just want to say thank you for joining me. I know this is a little bit of a quick impromptu video, and I will get my lighting sorted, and do apologise for the shaky. If I shake the table, it moves, you see. Anyway, I'll show you what this looks like again once it's dried. I'm hoping large cells will come out, but I am getting a little low on silicone, so it could be because there wasn't enough silicone added to the mix. Never mind. Okay, I've got a couple of other things to do. I've got a lot of paint here, so join me in about 2 minutes and there'll be another video. Okay, from Forest Art out. Please like, share and subscribe, and do pop back. I do have many more new ideas. I want to do abstract liquid, abstract sort of pouring techniques over glass vases, which would make excellent gifts for friends and family. So if you want to tune in for that, hit the sub button and hit the bell icon and you'll be notified. Okay, whatever you do this weekend, my friends, have a fantastic week.